Hello there! This video will show you how you can create a good line plot using Google Sheets. Not all aspects of every type of graph will be covered in this video. Please refer to the Rules for Graphs website for a more thorough overview of what I expect in a good scientific graph. A link is in the video description. First, open up Google Sheets. Type in all of your data. Type all of your x-axis data in one column and your y-axis data in the next column. Select the data. Click on Insert, and then click on Charts. In the sidebar, find the drop-down menu titled Chart Type. Click on this and scroll down until you find the option called Scatter Chart under the Scatter portion. This will make a line graph. Note that you can see every data point and there is no Connect the Dots happening. Connect the Dots is a fun game to play, but has no place on a graph. In the sidebar, you can go to the Customize tab to enter your title and label your axes with the correct units. If you'd like to include a fit line, under the Customize tab, select the Series section. Click on the box labeled Trend Line. Under Type, the default option is linear, and other fit lines are available as well. Only select linear if your data is a straight line. If the data is not linear, like the graph in this video, you can try the other options to see if you get a better fit. Do not select the moving average option. When in doubt, you can leave the trend line out or print out your graph and draw something in by hand. When you're happy with your graph, you can click on the three dots in the upper right corner of your graph and download as an image file. Then, you can upload the image file to your lab in Gradescope. If you have other questions about your graphs, just let me know. Until next time, stay well.